Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. You're looking at a truck that's unlike anything else on the road. This is a 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome, and it costs just over $500,000. But once you step inside, you'll understand why, especially when we get to the shower. Trust me, it's not what you expect. From the outside, it still has that iconic W900 profile. Long nose, towering stacks, polished chrome, and full custom paint. It looks like it's built to haul freight coast to coast, huh? And technically, it could. But this one isn't hauling cargo. It's hauling pure luxury. Let's step inside. This interior is something you'd expect in a luxury penthouse, not inside the back of a semi-truck. Dual slide-outs create a full-sized living room, complete with a leather sofa, dual recliners with massagers, and a 65-inch 4K smart TV. The lighting? Fully customizable LED, controlled from your phone. In the kitchen, you'll find granite countertops, a deep stainless sink, induction cooktop, full-size fridge, and even a built-in wine cooler. Every cabinet is handcrafted hardwood and the finish is flawless. Move to the bedroom and you've got a California king with a memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and blackout shades. There's a second smart TV here, plus built-in wireless charging in the nightstands. The air conditioning is zoned ultra-quiet and efficient enough to keep you cool in the desert. But let's talk about the bathroom, the part everyone's been waiting for. This isn't just a shower, it's a spa. A full walk-in steam shower with custom stone tile, a teak bench, aromatherapy, waterproof Bluetooth speakers, and adjustable LED mood lighting. You could honestly live in this thing just for the bathroom. The vanity features a vessel sink, backlit mirror, and more storage than most hotel suites. The toilet? A high-end porcelain flush with a soft, close lid. No plastic parts here. The whole setup is powered by a lithium battery bank, roof-mounted solar panels, and a diesel generator. You can go fully off-grid without sacrificing a single luxury. Up front, the cab is just as refined. Leather dash, digital cluster, custom wheel, and air ride captain's chairs with memory presets. It drives like a dream. This Kenworth W900 isn't just a truck. It's a statement, one that says you don't need to choose between power and comfort. You can have both. Thanks for watching Auto Plus. If this motorhome blew your mind, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. More epic builds are coming your way.